Hebrews 11, verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. One of the common problems with faith is that it's seen as belief and not trust. And what faith actually is trust. It's very little to do with belief. And one of the problems with trying to understand what Jesus talks about and what the Bible talks about in reference to faith is if you think it's belief, it really messes things up as opposed to trust. Trust being the thing that you're able to rely on, the thing you're able to believe in. So when the verse says faith is confidence in what we hope for, if you read it as belief is confidence in what we hope for, it's just really empty. But if we're going, now faith or trust is confidence in what we hope for, you get an entirely different idea about what this thing means. So we're talking about this faith or trust in something is the thing that gives you confidence. It gives you a strength, and confidence has to do with strength. Actually, right in the middle of that word confidence is F-I-D-E. And when you go back to the original word, that root word has to do with trust, a really, really strong trust. And so it's almost repeating it, and it's really driving this home, the fact that this trust is the thing we are able to really rely on. And what are we relying on? It's the thing that we're hoping in. Kind of sounds like I'm running a circle here, but what we're hoping for is what we confidently expect. According to 1 Corinthians 13, it says these three remain: faith, hope, and love. And the hope that is there is confident expectance. We know something is going to happen. And how do we know this? And it's because of our trust. So in that faith, that trust, we are able to have an absolute confidence in the thing that we are waiting on expectantly, such as heaven or the blessings of God or the things that He has promised. Our trust is the actual tangible thing. You guys all just started school. When you were in the summer, the reason you were dreading school starting was because you actually believed school was getting ready to start. And the reason is because it has started every single year since you've been 5, and you know this thing is going to happen. Even though it's a negative kind of version of it, you knew this thing was going to happen. The reason you had confidence and you knew something was coming to happen, that it was going to happen, is because it always happened in the past. So we have these experiences with God, and hopefully we read the Bible or something like that. We pray, we hear sermons, we hear and we talk at cell groups and different things, and they create in us the ability to understand what God does, how He does things, and why He does things. And as a result, we know that there is a thing to hope for, and the reason we're able to know that can come to pass is because of this faith. So it sounds like a little bit of a circle, but what he's talking about is just that trust is the tangible thing, the thing we're able to really remember and focus on. And then he says, and it's the assurance about what we do not see. And he's just almost repeating the exact same thing, but he's trying to let us understand that this faith is the right now part of our experience with God, that we have this constant trust. We have this ongoing trust, and it is the proof to us that the things He's promised will come to pass.